Tammy Slaton, the breakout star of the hit reality TV show 1000 LB Sisters, is once again making headlines, but this time, it's not about her weight loss journey or her health struggles. Instead, fans are buzzing about her new relationship with Andrea, a woman who has quickly become a prominent and cherished figure in Tammy's life. What started as whispers on social media and subtle hints in TikTok videos has now evolved into a confirmed, heartfelt romance. For the first time in a long while, Tammy seems genuinely happy, and many are calling her relationship with Andrea a turning point, not just in her love life, but in her overall transformation and journey toward emotional healing. Tammy's romantic life has been a roller coaster. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have watched her endure toxic relationships, emotional heartbreak, and even a tragic loss with her late husband Caleb Willingham. Caleb's sudden passing in 2023 left Tammy devastated and visibly broken. She went through a period of mourning that was documented partly on social media and in the show. During this time, Tammy withdrew from the spotlight, leaving fans concerned for her well-being. But healing can sometimes come in unexpected ways, and for Tammy, Andrea seemed to be the person who helped her rediscover her smile. The exact timeline of their relationship remains somewhat private, which is perhaps a wise move given Tammy's history with public scrutiny. However, sources close to Tammy reveal that she met Andrea in a support group geared toward individuals navigating grief and loss. Initially connecting over shared experiences and mutual understanding, their bond deepened into something more meaningful. Tammy reportedly admired Andrea's strength, empathy, and grounded nature. For Andrea, Tammy's vulnerability and raw honesty created an immediate emotional link. Their connection grew steadily, not rushed or forced, but natural and organic in its evolution. Fans began speculating about a possible romance when Tammy started posting pictures with Andrea, often captioning them with subtle yet emotionally charged messages. In one TikTok video, Tammy lip-synced to a romantic song while Andrea appeared in the background smiling. Another post showed the two of them on what appeared to be a casual date, with Tammy writing, "Some people come into your life and just change everything." While she never confirmed anything directly in those early posts, it was enough to set social media ablaze. Viewers dissected every detail, matching outfits, shared looks, and even Andrea's quiet but frequent presence in Tammy's home. It didn't take long before fans started rooting for them as a couple. When Tammy finally confirmed the relationship in a heartfelt Instagram live, reactions poured in from Arrow and the world. "Yes, me and Andrea are together," she said, smiling. "We're happy. That's all that matters." Her announcement was met with an overwhelming wave of support, with comments praising her courage to love again and to love freely, regardless of what others might say. Tammy didn't address her sexuality directly, but her openness in showing love without labels or boundaries was applauded by many in the LGBTQ+ community, as well as her core fan base. A relationship in the public eye is never easy, especially for someone like Tammy who has faced intense criticism for years. From online trolls to harsh media portrayals, she has endured more than her fair share of negativity. But her relationship with Andrea feels different, protected, intentional, and genuine. Close friends say Andrea has been a calming presence in Tammy's life, encouraging her not just in her personal growth but also in her physical and emotional health. She's reportedly helped Tammy stick to her new wellness goals, accompanying her to therapy sessions, planning balanced meals, and even joining her on daily walks. Tammy, who has historically struggled with motivation, seems to be thriving under Andrea's gentle encouragement. Those close to the couple say they complement each other beautifully. Tammy brings humor, rawness, and a deep sense of loyalty. Andrea offers compassion, patience, and emotional maturity. Together, they are creating a relationship that's built on trust, healing, and mutual respect. The pair has even talked openly about future plans. In a recent interview, Tammy mentioned wanting to travel with Andrea and possibly explore advocacy work together, focusing on body positivity and mental health awareness. "We've both been through a lot," Tammy said, "and we want to turn that pain into something that helps others." Their relationship also reflects a broader narrative of growth in Tammy's life. Since the start of 1000 LB Sisters, she's gone through a remarkable transformation. Once housebound and facing life-threatening obesity, Tammy has now undergone surgery, lost hundreds of pounds, and taken major steps toward reclaiming her independence. But what's perhaps even more powerful than the physical changes is the emotional resilience she's shown. Her bond with Andrea is a testament to that resilience, a sign that Tammy is not just surviving but finally beginning to thrive. Viewers of the show are hopeful that Andrea will make an appearance in the upcoming season. Though TLC has not confirmed her inclusion, behind-the-scenes sources suggest that producers are considering dedicating part of the season to Tammy's new relationship and the role Andrea has played in her recovery. Given the overwhelmingly positive reaction from fans, it seems like a smart move. Audiences love authenticity, and Tammy's journey with Andrea offers just that, an unfiltered look at love after loss, healing through connection, and finding hope in the most unexpected places. Of course, no relationship is without its challenges. Tammy and Andrea are reportedly taking things slow and communicating openly about their individual needs. With Tammy's past struggles, including issues with trust and self-worth, it's crucial that this relationship continues to be built on honest dialogue. So far, that seems to be the case. Insiders say the couple has regular check-ins where they discuss their emotions, goals, and any concerns. They're really intentional about their relationship, one friend shared. They don't take it for granted. Another important piece of the puzzle is Tammy's family. Her sister Amy, who has always been a central figure in her life, reportedly approves of Andrea and has welcomed her warmly. Amy herself has had a rough time lately with her own relationship issues, but seeing Tammy happy appears to be a silver lining for the entire Slayton family. Even their brother Chris, known for being protective and often skeptical, has spoken favorably about Andrea, calling her good people in a rake. ENT Facebook comment. If Tammy's happy, then I'm happy, he added. She deserves it. Social media has continued to buzz with speculation, love, and support for the couple. Fans are creating fan pages, video tributes, and even art dedicated to Tammy and Andrea. It's a phenomenon that has gone beyond reality TV gossip and become a symbol of second chances. Many viewers see in Tammy a reflection of their own struggles, with weight, grief, self-love, or identity, and her openness with Andrea is providing hope to thousands around the globe. Tammy's story makes me feel like it's never too late, one fan wrote on Reddit. She's showing us that love can find you even when you are at your lowest. As the summer rolls on, Tammy and Andrea have been spotted together at community events, enjoying meals in local diners, and participating in charity work. It's clear they're not just hiding away in private bliss, they're building a life together that includes service, joy, and shared purpose. Tammy even hinted at possibly moving in together soon, although she clarified that they're not rushing into anything. That level of grounded maturity is new for Tammy, who in the past was known to leap into relationships quickly, sometimes ignoring red flags. With Andrea, it seems Tammy is learning to move at a healthier, more balanced pace. It's not just fans who are taking notice. Media outlets have begun covering the story with a softer tone than usual, portraying Tammy as an evolving figure rather than a spectacle. Her relationship with Andrea is forcing people to re-evaluate how they see her, not just as a reality star or a viral personality, but as a woman with depth, pain, joy, and love to give. That redefinition might be one of the most important things to come from this new chapter in her life. As for Tammy, she seems ready to embrace it all. "I'm just trying to live and be happy," she recently told her followers during a candid Q&A. "It took me a long time to believe I deserved that. But now I know I do." Her words resonated deeply with viewers who have followed her since day one. For many, this isn't just about a relationship, it's about redemption, self-discovery, and the ongoing fight to live life fully, no matter how many setbacks or stumbles one faces. In a world that often criticizes, isolates, or underestimates people like Tammy, her relationship with Andrea is an act of quiet rebellion. It defies stereotypes, challenges expectations, and most of all, reaffirms the human capacity for growth and love. Whether this relationship lasts a lifetime or just a season, it's already changed Tammy's life and inspired countless others in the process. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.